Did you know you can grow fresh carrots indoors? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. Let's get started. First, grab a storage bin at least 12 inches deep. If your bin doesn't have holes, use a drill or even a screwdriver to add a few at the bottom. Drainage is key to prevent soggy soil, which carrots don't like. Now let's prep the soil. Carrots need loose, well-draining soil so their roots can grow without resistance. Use a lightweight potting mix. Don't use garden soil as it's too heavy and compact. Here's a great hack. Mix in a bit of sand with the potting soil. This makes it even looser and easier for carrot roots to navigate. Fill the bin, leaving about an inch from the top to prevent soil from spilling out when you water. Once your soil is in the bin, it's time to plant the seeds. Carrots are best grown directly from seed where you want them to grow, as they don't like to be transplanted. Make shallow holes about 1/4 of an inch deep. Plant the seeds with some space between them, as carrots do best with room to grow. Cover the seeds with a light layer of soil and gently pat down. Now for watering. Carrot seeds need even moisture to germinate, but be careful not to overdo it. A gentle spray with a mister is perfect to keep the soil damp without disturbing the seeds. If you're using a watering can, go slow and use a gentle stream to avoid washing away the seeds. Keep an eye on the soil daily and mist when the top feels dry to the touch. Now here's the important part. Light. Carrots need full sun, and in winter, that means making the most of any natural light you can get. Place the bin near a south-facing window for maximum sunlight exposure. If you're not getting enough natural light, supplement with a full-spectrum LED grow light. Carrots need around 12 hours of light daily, so setting a timer can be helpful to keep it consistent. As the weeks go by, you'll start to see tiny green tops poking through the soil. When these tops reach about an inch, thin them out. This means gently snipping the tops of any crowded seedlings, giving the others room to grow into full-size carrots. This step is essential for better growth. Don't pull up the seedlings, just use scissors to snip them at soil level. Winter is a good time for carrot growing because carrots thrive in cooler conditions, which actually improves their flavor. Depending on the variety, your carrots will likely be ready to harvest in about 2 to 3 months. You'll know they're ready when you see vibrant green tops and feel the size of the roots through the soil. When it's time to harvest, gently lift the carrots out, rinse them, and enjoy. And there you have it. A simple, affordable way to grow carrots indoors in winter with just a storage bin, some potting soil, and a sunny window or grow light. Minimal setup, low cost, and a truly rewarding harvest that'll prove you don't need a garden bed to grow fresh, healthy food in any season.